Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your AKG N700 noise cancellation M2 headphones with any iPhone or iPad. So first of all, you have to simply grab the right headphone, and you can find right here this power button, right? So we have to move it like that, and this indicator will turn white after a few moments. Just take a look. And then to activate the Bluetooth pairing, you have to move it one more time. And right now it starts blinking. So it means that we are in the pairing mode. So on our iOS device, we have to simply go to the settings where we can find Bluetooth settings. So open it, turn it on, and then wait for your AKG headphones. As you can see, here we can find them, so select them from the list. Right now we are connected by the standard Bluetooth settings, so right now I will recommend you to open the App Store and go to the search. Type AKG, click search, and get this application. Click install. Right now I have to confirm my password. Okay, so right now we have to open this application, accept every permission that pops on the screen, slide, and click to get started. Tap right here, click OK, and let's see if we'll be automatically connected. Yes, we are. Thanks to the previously standard Bluetooth settings, here we can find some quick tips. We can click on the X in the right upper corner, and as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.